Hello fellow gamers and welcome back here with another video, and today I'm back here playing some more Tinykin. So last episode we got some things for the bathtub and we got this key, and also we got more Tinykin. So yeah. So I finally know like what we're missing for like the last episode. So yeah, we have to fix the radiator, and yeah, you have to use your blue Tinykins to fix it. And yeah, and this is where the shortcut is, So yeah, cut. So let's go. All right. Well, now we're here. So we're gonna get these. Okay, yeah, it's under here. Yeah, good. Okay. So this is where the okay, that was not good. All right. That was not good. So this is where we supposed to do the things. So yeah. So you have to like put your blue Tinykin somewhere, and yeah. Okay. All right. So I think it's like somewhere like over here, I think. Yeah, let's put that here. Yes, and oh, okay, I found it. I found the thing. Oh, put that there and there. Okay. All right. We got the thing working. So yeah. Let's go! Yay! We did it! Finally! Yes. All right. Yeah. Do your dance moves or whatever. Yeah. Let's go! We finally did it. I don't know why we spent like one episode trying to like do the bathtub party or whatever. Bathtub party. I don't know like why we have to like spend so much time on it. Yeah, and it took like one episode. I could have like finished the other level in like that episode, but that's fine. All right, magnificent. All is now well. I even received a invitation. Okay. Hi, hey, crusty old guy, stay chill. We're cool. Have some fun for once. That's so nice. My sister told me you were responsible for this. I thank you so much. As a show of a goodwill, the silverfish returned the scissors of the city, which should be belongs to. Yes. Let's go. Haha. That's what you get. That is ours. All right. Oh, wrong thing. All right. So we got that on. So let's go. Yeah, I like the music. All right. Well, we're gonna move on to the better stuff. So yeah, the better stuff. All right, let's go. Pink Tinykins. Lead it to the door. All right. Well, let's go. Already 4 out of 6 components. Oh, 6 components. 6 components. All right. We're almost close. We need like 2 more, I think. All right. Let's go. Okay, what are we supposed to? Oh, he just threw it, I guess. All right. Well, nice knowing this place, and now we gotta move on to the next place and put this component right into the head, the project or whatever. So yeah, the project or whatever. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Whoo. Okay. Well done, Milo Dan. You're all soaked again. this. Let's go. Alright. Alright, yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're supposed to go to Ambrose, I think. Oh. We need to go to Transidor. Wait a minute. Was that the same place we went, like in the first episode? Like, why do we have to go back there? I think we'll know, like, in a second. Oh. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's go. So I honestly don't know why we have to go back to Transidor, cause I'm kind of confused. I'm kind of confused why we're going there. So yeah. All right, yeah, and oh, the fluff ball or whatever. Okay, this way Milo Dan used the silk line. All right. Well, now he's flying very high. Oh. And the first time, I literally just like jumped out of the. I just literally like walked out of the floor. I meant the briefcases and the boxes. And that's the flower pot from the demo video and the part one. Part one. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Well. Okay, that sucks. We have to like go through there. Through there. Through there. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Oh my, okay, good. Okay, alright. We almost followed. That would suck. So hard. Alright, yeah. Okay, yeah, there must be one around here somewhere. Okay. Somewhere. I'll see you upstairs. Okay, well, pretty excited. Alright, well, okay, another soap board. Well, okay, oh man. Alright, well, oh man. Well, I screwed up for the first jump. Okay. Alright, forget about it. Oh man. That's fine. I guess we'll go back up. It was so hard to get through the Silka line. I don't know why. I'm acting so bad at this game. Because I've been playing this game for like 4 episodes right now. Like 4 episodes, pretty much. And I almost falled again. Which could have sucked, alright? That could have sucked. But yeah. Thank you. Alright, good. You finally can help me for helping me like go up and all that stuff. So yeah. But anyways, let's get these new Tinykins. Alright. Well, oh, there's like blue Tinykins too. Alright, that's nice. And we have to go there. Alright. Okay, yeah. We have to go up there, and okay, I cannot. Oh, forgot about that. I forgot that I had the green Tinykins. The green Tinykins. But yeah. Alright, so I think we gotta like destroy that, and you got you people. Alright. Okay. And alright. And we got one thing. A code or something like that. Alright. Maybe. I'm guessing. This is like a number 1, like I think it looks like ripped a code for it. So yeah. Like a ripped part of a code. So yeah. And would you look at that? I actually got that right. Cause there's something we gotta do there. So there's something we gotta like do there. So yeah. Yeah. And yes. Alright, well. Whew, okay. Okay, let's slide this. Come on. And yes. More of these, and yeah, I have to get this. Have to get this. So, and we have to go up there. So that's gonna be pretty cool. That's gonna be pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah. All right. Yes. Yes. Okay. Good. And yes. And let's get this. And yeah, we got the rope. Good. Okay. Well, there's some things we gotta do for this, which is 12 Tinykins, which we don't have. Oh my. Okay. Well, that sucks. That really sucks. But yeah. Oh, I cannot get that opened. All right. Well, I have to figure out a way. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I knew I had to figure out a way to get up there. All right. Well, now we got more of these red Tinykins, and yeah. So let's get up over here, and let me land on that jump. Okay, no, I can't. Come on. You can do it. Yes, let's go. Good. And we got another piece of the code. Alright, that's very useful. Very, very useful. Alright. Well, come on. And, okay, yeah. Good. Alright. Well, yes. And, yes. More yes. Okay, good. So, more red Tinykins. Red Tinykins. And good, and yeah, pretty good. So let's get this, if I can, yeah. All right, we got that rope down. So if we fall, then that's okay. We can like climb back up. All right, well, let's go over here now. Let's go over here now. So yeah. All right. Well. And yes. Alright, well, we're doing it. So let's get more of these. And yes. Sorry, my nose. My nose has been really bad for the past couple of days, so maybe my voice is like very like bad. So yeah. Like not bad, like rusty. So yeah. All right. So yeah. I see. Okay. So and there's like, okay, good. That is so good. Yes. Okay, we need 500. 500 may not be a problem. Just saying. I need these and no. Oh, die actually. Yeah, good. That's actually good. We had to do that anyways, so yeah. Alright, and yeah. And yes, okay, good. And we have to go there somehow. But I don't know. I don't know though, so maybe not. Okay, yeah, maybe not. I have to go back down. That's the problem. Yeah, but if I do that, then like I have to restart this whole thing. This whole thing. Okay, I can do it. Yes, good. Alright. Oh! Another piece of code! Let's go! Okay, we're doing pretty good. So, we got another piece of code. Yes, okay. And, let's get up here. So, because I think that you have to, like, do something to make the clock, work. So, yeah. And there's, like, this dude, those, like, robot guys, those army guys, like the, kind of like the military. They're just, like, looking at the clock, like, because, like, to wait until Ardwin comes again. So, yeah. Let's go. And, yes. Alright, the clock is ticking. Now you know when Ardwin's coming. Oh, another one of those, things, I guess. I don't think we'll need that. I don't think, like, we will, need that. So, yeah. Probably useless. Come on, and yes. Alright, good. Good, alright. So, let's get these. Yes, and, let's get more of these. Yes, and, yeah, more of these, too. Alright, is there, like, oh. Okay, there's, like, a pollen, I guess. I don't think we need that. Well, actually, we actually do, maybe. Yeah, I think we, do. So, wait, how much do we need? 500. So, 500. So, we need 160. I meant 186. Okay. Yeah, 186. So, yeah, okay. Well, I don't think we can do that. We can, like, do that. So, yeah. But I want to go back where Ardwin was. Okay, wait for a second. I gotta do this. Alright. Okay, done. And, let's, go up this rope. And, yeah. Alright, good. Good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's, go over here. Plus. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's get up. Let's, get on top of, that, shelf. Or whatever. Good. Oh, I can't get on top of that, like, easily. So, yeah. Alright. Well. Oh! I don't have all the pieces. Okay, yeah. Maybe Oh, I have to complete the puzzle. Oh, no. Actually, no. I have to, like, do this, puzzle, thing. Like, I meant the blue Tinykins, thing. So, yeah. Alright, but I don't know how to do it. I don't know, like, how to, do it. So, maybe, like, okay, no. No. Alright. No. That sucks. Okay. Maybe I can, like, pull this up. Maybe. No, I think we need, like, to go higher up. Higher, like, up. So, yeah. Okay, let's go up. Come on. And yes. Alright, good. So, yeah. Okay, let me get that soap board. Okay, good. And, yeah. Okay, yeah, whatever. So, yeah, we have to, like, do something to like, get that thing working. But I don't have the electrical thing, like I said. Oh. Man, okay. Okay, this is where the electric wire is. So what if I go behind? No, okay. Yeah, that won't work. That's so hard. Alright, well, oh! I figured it out, so yeah. I figured it out. So what you have to do is like you have to put this down, and yeah. And I can do it from there. So that's good. Right? No. Why not? Like, why not? Like, this does not make any sense. Oh. Okay, well. Let's do this, I guess. Yeah, let's do that, and, come on, and yeah. And yes. And good. Okay. Well, we got that, and we got that thing working. All right. I get it now. I get it now. Okay. So I gotta like do like I gotta connect that. I connected that, and now this is functional. So we can actually like make the thing work. So that's pretty good. Yes. And yeah, and good. Yes. Oh. Okay, okay. I think we wasted one of our guys. So that's fine. And again, okay. Alright. Okay, don't do anything bad, alright? Okay. Okay, good. And yes, and yeah. Okay. Alright, this is actually gonna be bad. I don't think we can reach it. Maybe. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Okay, this sucks. What am I supposed to do? Like, did I, like, waste? Okay. Do that again, alright? Because, I don't think it's working. I don't think it's, like, working well, so, yeah. Okay, come on. Why you're not working? Okay. Yeah, I need 24, yeah. Alright. So, we make a bridge like that. Yes. And yeah, okay, yeah. Alright. Okay, I guess we waste. I guess we waste one. So yeah, we have to like make this whole line. Alright. Yes, and yeah. And yes. Okay. And yeah. Okay, yeah. Alright. So you got 6, I guess. Okay, what is wrong? What is wrong here? Cause I don't get it. I don't like really get it. So I guess we can't reach that far or whatever. This really sucks. This actually really sucks. I don't want to do like that thing again. Like we had to like do this thing again. Okay, whatever, I guess. So I don't think we can do it. Maybe water does not work on electricity. That's the thing. Probably. So I guess we gotta like, oh, or maybe I know why. I maybe know why. So I think we gotta like go get that note up there. So maybe that's the problem. I don't know. This is actually gonna be super hard. Super hard. Yeah. Okay, I get it now. Okay. Alright, so let's leave this place. And yeah, let's go up there. No. Actually no. Ow. Okay, yeah. Alright, so let's go up here and yes. And more up. So now you can see that we can do it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's get this note. And yeah, that should work. That should work. That should like allow us to like do the thing. Alright, so now we're gonna do it. Hopefully. Come on, where is it? Okay, there. So yeah, we have to go like go there and throw this thing to it. So good. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Key's locked, okay. Alright, so I think now we can do it, maybe. Hopefully this is not a fail. Hopefully. Alright, because if this is a fail, I don't get it, alright? Because I saw like a YouTuber did this and it actually worked. So don't break me down. Don't sorry. Don't break me down. So yeah. Alright. Okay, good. Alright. What are you doing? Okay, I had to do that, alright? Okay, not my fault. Okay, good. Good. And yes, alright, yes. Do that, and yes. Yes, and yes. Alright, good. Okay, good. Come on, get it. Get through there, okay? Get through there. Yes. Yeah, alright, good. Okay, and then they go for the entrance. Okay. Yes. And yeah, it should work now. What? Okay, good. Alright, good. Okay, good. Okay, come on. Just have some space for the little guy, okay? Have some space. Okay. Get out, get out. Oh my god, okay. This is somehow not working. I don't really get it. Like, I did everything. Yes, I know I have to do that, but what's wrong with me not putting the things I want? The things I want. Come on. Alright, I want to like why is it not working? Because I don't really get it. Like, what's wrong with the connection? Like, I know I'm doing good. Oh man. Well, I don't think we can do this in one episode. Okay. Well, maybe I have to like connect it again, maybe? Cuz it says it's not getting any electricity. Maybe there's like something here, maybe. There's like nothing. I don't get what it means. I don't really get what it like means. Man. If somebody in the comment section can tell me if somebody can tell me in the comments the comment section, can you guys tell me if like or a thing why it's not letting me do this or something. I hope my comments are not getting turned off. So yeah. Okay, it's 1986. Okay, that's like a year. All right, that's an actual year for like something. Why not? Why not? You're not getting electricity. Why not? Did I use too much? Okay, good. What? Why not? Oh. It's probably because I don't have 24. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it now. So I don't have 24. That's the problem. So, like 24 blue Tinykins. So, that's the problem. So I gotta like. Okay, yeah. I should have fought this sooner. All right. So, yeah, let's go there. And yes. Come on, and yeah, okay. Alright, so I got more Tinykins. I hope it helps. Okay, maybe not, it won't work. Maybe not. Oh, it actually works. It actually works. Let's go. Yes! Finally! I did it! Okay, okay, yeah. And then 1986. Okay. Okay, I'm literally messing this thing up. I'm messing this thing up. All right. So, yes, and good. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go. Oh, Milo Dan, you aren't going to use the. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we got it. Finally. We did this for a very long time. Okay, good. Okay, so now we have to go to the city of Ambrose or something like that. Where is Milo? I meant where is Redme? Is Redme like up there? Maybe. Yeah, probably. Hopefully. Maybe. So oh yes, it's opened. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. So now oh, it's not opened. What did I do? Man, I thought it was open. Whatever, it's fine. But I still gotta know where are we like supposed to go? Do we like go back to like somewhere else? Maybe? Cause I got the key. And maybe this is how you do it. No. Maybe. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright. Okay, I gotta climb up. It's not working. It's not working. Where is the... Are you serious? Okay. So I have to like get more stressed like now? Why? Like why do I have to do that? Man. Oh my god. Okay, well. Maybe it's here? Maybe? Maybe not? Hopefully. So... Alright. So I think it's here, maybe. No. Where's Redme? Where's Redme? Okay, yeah, I know that. Yeah. Why not? What am I supposed to do? Okay. Well, let's try to find where it is. Hopefully. Maybe it's like here. I never saw this thing open. Oh. It's that. Okay. Whatever. Hopefully I could do something in it. Wrong thing, right? Yes. I guessed that right. Maybe. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna go back and find something. Alright? I gotta like find something to do. Oh my. At least we finished like a world. If we can't do it, then that's fine. We finished the world, which is a good thing. Yeah, that's like a positive for our mental stress or whatever. Mental stress. So, yeah. Let's try to find it. Like this one last time. If we don't, then we we end up the episode right here, and I'll try to search on YouTube where the exit is. So yeah. Yeah, okay. Alright, so yeah. Okay, yeah. Now let's go, and okay, yeah. Let's get that. Let's get that. And yeah. Okay, yeah. Man. Oh, it's here. Rid me. Insert the key on this lock of the door. Okay. Okay, we found it. Alright. So, yeah. Okay. Well, that's cool. Yes, okay. Thank you. Alright, so I think we're getting closer to the game to beat the game, I'm pretty sure. Since we like did a lot of maps, you know? So yeah. The lands of Ambrose. Let's go. Okay, yeah. Oh, what's happening? My game was lagging. My friends, once again, we're here. Okay. Alright. Together. No way. Always the hick. Same thing. Together, we will create the great cake for creators a favorite, making it an offering to them. You're just going to sit in your cupboard while we all starve? How about Ardwin? I've done these ceremonies. I have never seen the cake. Only the Barrows pigs get to stuff themselves with it. Okay, yeah. Alright, enough. Get down here and I'll show you cooperation. Injustice. Revolt. Revolt! What is happening? My friend says no way. Okay, yeah. No reason, she says. Well, okay. I think there's like some commotion. Whoa. Okay, he said calm down, peasants. You don't tell people to peasants. Your own citizens. Don't call your citizens peasants. Okay. Rule number 1. Cause that's not nice. And that's rude. Also, so yeah. Okay. Oh, he's calling the thing a parasite. Okay, yeah. Boss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. They're just going insane. They're like fighting for food. Yeah, I would do the same thing if I was hungry. JK, I would never. No, no, no. Alright. They locked themselves in a cabinet for some reason. Are they like dumb? Maybe. Alright, maybe. The Lands of Ambrose, a recipe for disaster. Yeah, this looks like a disaster to me, alright? Yeah. Oh man. Man. And these are the side quests to do on Lands of Ambrose. Okay. Yeah. Tell me what component we need. Okay. Alright. Alright. New object available. Recipes for disaster. Oh, I get it now. So this is like a cooking thing. We gotta do cooking things now. So we need 3 eggs. I think that's 1 yogurt or something. 1 butter. 1 chocolate bar I think. And those looks like ice cubes. 10 ice cubes and 1 bag of flour. Okay. Well, I don't think we'll be doing this for today's episode because I don't usually like making my videos 50 minutes and more. So yeah. Oh, new Tinykins, I guess. That looks so cute. They like cuddling. They like cuddling. That's so cool. Oh, nice. Okay. They do nothing, right? No. Okay, yeah, they do something, but not like right now. They can't do anything like right now. So let's get these Tinykins and end off the episode right here. So yeah, guys. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment and like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video that I upload. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, guys. Peace.